guys, it's Gina. Welcome to Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I'm here today with another haul video for you. I placed an order on Etsy recently, and I recently received my package. It came today, and it's from a store called Jenny's Gem Shop on Etsy. And the reason I placed the order was because I had recently sold this set that I had made as a necklace and earrings. And I really wanted to get more of these beautiful Czech feather beads, and I had a hard time finding these beads. I actually searched around quite a bit, and some people or some stores had them listed as feathers, and some stores had them listed as leaves. So if you have any, great sources for that particular bead, please let me know. Like I said, had a kind of a hard time finding them, but I did find them on this great little Etsy shop. So since I was ordering, I went ahead and got some other Czech glass beads as well, and I thought it'd be fun to open the package while I'm recording so you guys can see what I got. Alright, so it came really nicely wrapped up. Okay, and again, that's Jenny's Gem Shop right there, and she sent some coupon codes, which is awesome. So let me go ahead and open this package up so we can take a look and see what kind of goodies I got. I'm going to set them over here and bring them out one at a time. Okay. Alright, so here are the Czech glass, just call them feathers, that I had originally created this order for, went shopping for, and I just love them. They came in the April 2018 bead crate, and I had used them all up. I think they sent 6 with the bead crate, and I used up every single one. So I really want to make another necklace and earring set just like the one I had sold. I really liked it, so I thought I would make another one and relist it. So I'm excited to get some of these beads back. So anyway, on Jenny's Gem Shop on Etsy, these are called Crystal AB Czech glass feather tube beads, and they're 30 by 11 millimeter, and it was $2.39 for 5 pieces. So I got those, and then let's see, the next item I got, because I love these table cut beads, and I love the Picasso finishes that I keep seeing. And I don't have much like in white, and I love the edge on these, the table cut. But anyway, these are called White Picasso Table Cut Czech Glass Rectangle Beads, and they're 12 by 8 millimeter, and it was $2.50 for 12 pieces, which is definitely reasonable. These are gorgeous. They're really pretty. It's fun to get new items to play with. And the shipping was pretty much the same. I think it was the same if I had ordered only the Czech glass feathers or if I had ordered other things. And I had some money left to play with in my little bead budget that I set for myself. So I decided, well, I will go ahead and order some other items that I can play around with and have some fun. And I hate paying shipping for just one little item, so it just, anyway, I'm trying to justify it, you can tell, but that's okay. Alright, the third item is, ooh, that's a lot. Creamy Howlite Flat Teardrop Gemstone Beads, 14 by 10 millimeter. There's 100 pieces, Briolettes, brown matrix. So you guys, these were an overstock special in her shop, So it was only $3.95 for 100 pieces. Look how cool those are. Those are really neat. And because of like the natural color, I think they'll go with so much. And I'll definitely be able to put those to good use. So yeah, for $3.95, that's a huge amount of beads. They're nice and smooth. They got kind of a little crackle finish on them. One more close-up shot for you. I think they will make some really cute earrings among many other things. Okay. Oh, forgot to. Okay, so the next item I got are called Garnet Picasso Table Cut Czech Glass Hawaiian Flowers, 14 millimeter. Okay, here they are. 5 pieces for $3.25. I have been eyeing these flowers for the longest time, so I was like, you know what? Today's the day. I'm just gonna splurge and get some flowers, but they're gorgeous. Look at that pretty garnet color. Nice deep red. And you can they're kind of see-through where that red is. And just gorgeous, like on the side. Really pretty, pretty, pretty beads. So those will be nice too. I'm thinking earrings again for those. Alright, so then we have, the next item is called Reds and Golds Etched Leaves Checked Pressed Glass Beads, 10 by 8 millimeter, 15 piece leaf mix. And this was $2.25. Those are so pretty. Look at that gold inside. Oh, I love those. I love bright red. And I love leaf shapes. Those are really nice. Those are going to be fun too. Okay, the next item, just looking on my computer, I've got it pulled up what I had purchased, is Light Lime Opal Gem Cut Rondelle Glass Fire Polish Beads, 5 by 3 millimeter, 25 piece mini strand fasted. And I just thought this was like such a delicious color. It looks like sherbet or something. It's like mint or just a really like pale lime green. And just, it's very summery to me. Spring and summer. But you can see kind of that they're a little bit faceted on the sides. And if I didn't already say, they were $1.50. Alright, and then we had, the other item I wanted to get was more of the Czech glass bicones, because I had recently been making some bracelets with the Czech glass bicones, and I wanted to get another color to play with, and I thought I'd go with something kind of neutral. So these are called Czech glass Lucerna bicones, opaque, barely purple, 6 millimeter, 25 piece strand pressed glass, and these were only $1.25. And I'm not seeing really any, like, if I looked at it and didn't know what the title was, I would never guess it had purple in the title. It's just a very, very light beigey color to me. And it's pretty much exactly how you see it right there. My camera is definitely seems to be picking up the color. So just a very neutral, but I wanted more of this shape to play with. So that's cool. Alright, then I got multicolor freshwater pearl beads, 5 to 6 millimeter average mini strand, 8-inch. And I'm trying to remember now, I had something in mind when I had purchased these last week that I was going to do with them. And I'm sure it'll come to me when I'm not filming. But anyway, they are really cute. I wasn't going to use like all these colors together. I had something in mind for, I think, the natural color. And then of course I'll be able to use the other colors in other projects as well. But they're very cute. So $2.25 for that strand. And then the next item I have is cream travertine lustre Czech pressed glass beads, 6mm 2-hole tile beads. So I had made several different projects, a couple bracelets. I did a tutorial on some earrings with the Czech tile beads, and I used them all up, the ones that I had, the ones that Bead Crate had sent me for April, and I just really liked working with them. So I wanted to get more tile beads in a different color, so I went with this travertine lustre. It's gorgeous. It's very smooth and shiny, very natural colored. So I look forward to working with these too. And I have two more items that came with this shipment. Czech Hurricane Glass Orange Yellow Chiclet Rectangle 12x8mm 25-piece pressed glass. And what caught my attention on these was the colors. I love, it just looks like fire. But they're so bright, they're so fun. Like a lot of bright red and bright orange and yellow. So I have no idea what I'm going to do with these, but I think they're going to be a lot of fun to play with. I love color, and so I saw those and they really caught my eye. They were $2.95 for those. And I'm just gonna pop them back in the bag. Oop. Really shiny. Alright. And the last item of my order is the greens golds etched leaves Czech press glass 10x8mm 15 pieces, and these were $2.25. So just like the red, I wanted to get some green, and I love how like all the beads aren't exactly the same shade of green. There's different shades on this strand, which is great. You can see, yeah, you can see that. But I think that makes it really fun. They're not all just exactly the same. So, very pretty. I really love all these beads. The shipping was very fast, you know, very reasonable. I think I ordered all of this Friday, and today's Tuesday, so definitely very reasonable. I think the shipping was around like $3.95 for everything, and the total order came to about $30, including shipping. And it looks like she sent me a nice little gift. Oh, I love when they do that. Isn't that great? Yep, thank you. Oh, that's so sweet. So let's open that up. I just saw those sitting over there. Oh, cool. So another little shape I haven't worked with. And it looks like two different finishes. We got like a smoky color, smoky gray, and then a clear. Little teardrops, little glass teardrops. How sweet. That's awesome. I love when shop owners send a free gift. That's really sweet. So thank you to Jenny's Gem Shop for getting my beads out to me so quickly, and for sending me this special gift, and also the coupon codes that came with my order. I don't know if I'm supposed to share those, so I'm not going to unless I hear otherwise. But feel free to contact me if you'd like, and I can contact her and make sure she's cool with that. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little bead haul, and I will be sure to keep you updated with all of the jewelry that I make out of these beads. So thanks guys, have a wonderful day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy, Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching!